start taking them apart to see what's inside of them. Curious to see. This one doesn't seem to have any screws that are visible. I'm assuming they're hidden somewhere. Or maybe I just need to pop it open and that's exactly it. I don't think it has any screws. There you go. Yeah, this one didn't really have any screws. Just popped open. I'm guessing most of this stuff isn't going to be too special. Harder than I expected. Something's holding it, not too sure what. Everything kind of popped open. Alright, so there must be screws somewhere. Just can't see them. Nope, I think I found them. Nope, nothing there. So interesting. Oh, definitely screws. Alright, I found the screws finally. A little weird that one of these things didn't have screws, but I found it right there.